Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Huawei Nova 5T. To this operation, press and hold for 3 seconds, power off volume, and now press and hold volume up and power button together. Keep pressing both key. Release power button, still holding volume, release volume, and just wait here. If the phone don't work, just repeat the procedure. So turn off one more time and keep pressing volume up and power button together. Phone vibrate. Okay, release both key. Okay, now phone is the reboot system. So we need to wipe cache partition for first. Navigate by volume down and accept by power, go up, wipe data factory reset, accept, wipe data factory reset, and write yes. Wipe data factory reset, and just wait. Reset successful, and reboot system now, and phone will start with the new brand firmware without any password on phone. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!